Hey, what's up, everybody? My name is Corey Davis, and I run a coaching company where we help coaches and entrepreneurs grow and scale their coaching company. Milan has been a very big help with us. He's allowed us to scale with ease, and he has been our technical support person that's helped our clients actually build web pages, build their funnels, get all of those technical things that normally people are having problems with. Milan has been the guy that helped us run an efficient business. He's helped our clients' success really double, to be honest with you. Our coaching company right now, we're running about $40,000 a month, but we could not do it without Milan's help. Milan is very skilled in what he's doing. So if you're watching this video and you're thinking about, hey, should I use Milan as a support person? Should I get into his programs? Whatever that may be, I'm going to tell you right now, that's a great decision. Use him as someone that can be your technical support. Buy into his programs where he can support you 100% along the journey. And he works tirelessly behind the scenes. You'll be amazed on what the work that he can do for you. So I give Milan my full support. Thank you, Milan, for supporting us in our business as well.